This town, the bus has brought them all to a town that is located on the bank of the river. Emma enjoys the view. She can see a lot of boats. People are sailing here and there. Sometime later, Emma is going to take a yacht too. It is going to take her about an hour. After that, Emma will have a walk with her mates along the fascinating embankment. This is the most popular site at the town. There are a lot of stalls where she can purchase some souvenirs for her relatives. The exhibition lasts for 3 hours. After it ends up, Emma will go to a restaurant.